Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with sort of an unboxing, more of a deeper look. So the kind people at Beebeecraft sent me a bunch of items in the mail to test out, and I really love that company. They've sent me other items in the past and I have worked with them. I've done whip-in chats, I've done completions, and I've really liked the results of the things they sent me. And now they've sent me these things, which I chose for myself. So I don't know why I keep buying embroidery kits, you guys, because I'm so slow at embroidering. But I do want to do this one. Like, look how pretty. So this is one of the items that they sent me. There's a set of 2 embroideries. But before I keep going, before I forget, they were nice enough to send me a coupon code. So if you are also interested in buying these or any of the items on their website, the code is CAT10. So my name, Cat with a capital K and the number 10, and then you'll save 10% off on your whole order. Okay? So that's if you're interested. No pressure. All right, so let's take a look. And I didn't realize I was getting 2 of these. I thought I was getting 1. So it was a really nice surprise when I saw the 2 hoops. So let's take a look. We did the overview already of everything that was in the pack. And now we're looking at them into more depth because I didn't get a chance to do that. So there are 2 kits in here, as you can see, and I'm using my little doggy pillow as like to hold it up. And let me just grab the website. So the website is beebeecraft.com. So these were Canadian $12.41. And what I will do is we'll just quickly go over to the website right now and I'll show you. Okay? Okay, guys, so here we are at the Beebeecraft website. This is www.beebeecraft.com. And this is the first item that I bought. Is this really beautiful embroidery flower. This is the Honey Handy DIY flower and leaf pattern embroidery kit. It includes cotton, printed cotton, embroidery thread and needles, and an imitation bamboo embroidery hoop. And it's light sky blue. It's 20 by 20 centimeters. It's $8.89, and as you can see here, there's 2 in a set. 2 in a set. Now, you can also choose the other ones. You could get this one if you wanted, with on the black background with the different flowers, or you could choose the pink background. But I was in the mood for a light sky blue background with the pretty sunflowers. I thought it was really beautiful. And Beebeecraft is a really, really nice website. So check it out if you're interested. All right, so let's head back to the video. Okay, guys, so that was the website. I am back, and we're going to take a closer look at these. I'm just going to open one of them. So they come in these little baggies. These little Ziploc baggies. And you get everything you need to complete this kit, which I really like. And I really didn't think I was getting 2. So you get the embroidery hoop. And then you get the pattern and all of the stuff you need. So let's open that up and take a look at it. Very excited. I just wish I was faster at embroidery. I think I could do about 15 to 20 diamond paintings in the time it takes me to do one embroidery. I'm still not finished the first one that I bought. I can do the little ones. I've done those little locket ones. Those I can do because they're so tiny. I can do those really quickly, but these take me a long time. All right, so this is the description of the embroidery stitch. So it shows you what these stitches are like. It describes them down here. So there's the straight stitch, and it tells you, okay, this is how you do a straight stitch. Or the French knot. Here's how to do a French knot. It tells you all the different stitches you need. Satin stitch, lazy daisy, stem stitch. If you're like me, it might be easier to go to YouTube and look at a video of how to do the stitches. But they do tell you. And the other thing you have to know is sometimes you need more than one piece of thread on the needle, which I just assumed you would use the whole thing that they give you. But they tell you everything you need, including how to put the fabric into the hoop, how to tighten it, how to finish it off later. So you could display it in the hoop, which is really nice. So let me just move that aside. I chose a blue fabric background this time. And you get everything you need. So let's take a look at the colors. And these feel really nice in my hand. I wish you could reach through the computer and feel how nice these threads feel. This embroidery floss, it's got a lovely, almost satiny feel to it. So this is a beautiful earthy palette. I really love these colors. Like if these were paints, I would be going crazy for the colors. Just gorgeous. And here are the pinks and the greens, like the purpley pink and the greens. Now, when I first started out, I thought you just use one full piece of embroidery thread and do it. You don't. Every time you're doing a stitch, it tells you how many pieces of thread you need. So for the lazy daisies, you need 3 strands, which means I would pick the color, and then you have to separate these so that you're taking 3 strands, like they unwind. So that's like important to know. And some of them use 2 strands. For the 2 strand, you can actually just do 1 strand and fold it over. So then you have, excuse me, I've got the hiccups again. You have the 2 strands. So you always have to read how many you need. For this one, you need 4 strands. So that was something that I learned. But look how pretty this is going to be. And what I like is the pattern is right on the fabric. When I was a little girl, they just gave you a piece of fabric. And you had to just figure out where everything went. And it was so hard. And look, they even give you 2 needles for 1 set. So you get 4 needles for the 2 sets, which is great because I broke one of my needles when I was trying to thread it. I have since bought threaders, so we'll be okay. But yeah, so you basically, I guess I could show you. Hang on. So you just set this so that it's centered in the hoop, and you put the other hoop on top. So you just keep rearranging it till you have it where you like. So like there's the same amount of empty space on either sides. And you pop that on. And you just pull out the creases and then you tighten this. So you tighten it in the spot that you like. And it will pull out all the creases. I'm not going to tighten it all the way because I want to look at this. I think I need to pull it over more. I think I have too much space here. See how this flower is so close to the edge? And this flower, there's a lot. I would want to pull it over more to the right, you know? So I would play with that for a bit, but that's how it would look, and you would work with it. And then you just, you use one of these needles and you decide what color you want to start with. You could start with the stems if you want. You could start with the flowers if you want. I think this is going to be a really, really beautiful kit. And like I said, I just think these colors are fantastic. Look how beautiful and vibrant they are. So this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. I'm very excited for this. And I like that there's 2 in a kit and they gave us 2 hoops. Because I bought a kit before from somewhere else and there were 2 kits, but they only gave me 1 hoop. So if you want to display them in the kit, because you can just put them right on the wall, not in the kit, in the hoop. You want to display them in the hoop, you need the hoop to hang them on the wall, right? Because that's how it will look finished. And they look beautiful that way. So I'm really glad they sent me 2 hoops. So this was $12.41 Canadian for both sets. So whatever half of that is. So like $6.20 for one, which is a really, really good price. And I don't know what shipping is because I did get these for free. So I don't know what shipping would have been. And also they have a bunch of coupons and free gifts and sales. So they have different sales every day. It's really pretty cool. But anyway, that is it for the set of 2 embroidery hoop kits. I'm very excited to do these. I think they're going to be beautiful. Yeah. And I think one of these sets would look really pretty at camp. Anyway, so that is it for this unboxing. I'm very excited to get going on these. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. And if you wanted to order anything from Beebeecraft.com on their website, use CAT10 to get 10% off your entire order. And happy embroidery! Bye, guys.